Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you guys are watching from. Welcome to today's What I Got for Christmas. I did a poll over on my Instagram after I got a bunch of DMs asking for it, and you guys really wanted to know what I got for Christmas. First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to my friends and family. I love you guys all so much, and a huge chunk of my family actually watches my YouTube videos, so I know you guys are gonna see this. And also, I want to give a shout out to you guys because we actually hit 12,500 on Christmas Day. Like, it blows my mind how close to 13,000 we are, which is so crazy, especially considering like I didn't even think I would ever get 100 subscribers. Then we got 1,000 subscribers, then we got 10,000 subscribers, and you guys were on our way to 15,000 subscribers. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to you guys, but I'm gonna stop rambling and just show you guys what I got. Starting off with my stocking. So my parents actually got me a stocking every single year for Christmas, and I think it is just truly so cute, and I love that. And I recently started getting them a stocking as well. And also, I do want to mention, I'm not going to be saying who got me what, I'm just going to be showing you like what I got, but I did just want to say that this stocking is from my parents. I just think it's adorable how they give us a stocking still, like my brother and I, even though we are grown. But I also don't know how my mom fit everything in this stocking. Like, I couldn't for the life of me get everything back in, so I did my best to try to put it back in. Number one are these hair ties. I absolutely love these hair ties because they don't leave like a bump in my hair, and I love this container for storage because I lose these so often. I don't know where my hair ties go, so now that I have a place to put them, I think it's really cute. And I love the clear jar and these elastics also. I usually get the Invisibobble ones, but honestly, like, I don't even care. This one has 60 of them, so I am so excited. And again, I think it's just really cute. This little glass container, and also just says hair ties, and then it has a like wood top for it. Next up in my stocking, I got this hairbrush, which if you saw, I think it was my Bath and Body Works body care day video, I actually picked this up and I showed it to my mom the day I got home, and she wanted to give it to me, so she paid me back for it, and she took it right then and there out of my hand and was like, no, I want to put this in your stocking. So I had to wait to get it, but it is so cute. I am obsessed with Beauty and the Beast, if you didn't know, and this was just a limited edition hairbrush, so I love that. And it's actually a really good brush, and I just think it's adorable. Next up, I have chocolates, which I've been dying to eat these, and I just wanted to do this video for you before I could completely devour these. I can eat both of these in like an hour, no joke. I'm obsessed with these chocolates. They are so good. This one is like a popping rock candy one, and then this is the original one. Personally, kind of like these a little bit better, but these are also really good. Lastly, in my stocking, this chocolate. Moving on, oh my goodness, I am obsessed with these Juicy Couture boots that I got. Look how cute. They have like big bows at the back, and this fur, I kid you guys not, is like the softest fur ever. Like, I never want to take these off, and I have wore them every single day. Like, they're already super dirty. I tried cleaning them a little bit. I am obsessed with these. They're so easy to put on and off, and then the cute little bows at the back just say Juicy Couture, and I think they're adorable. I got these in a size 7. I'm usually a 7.5, but they were only full sizes, so definitely if you find these, go for the size smaller because they fit me great. So I'm super happy and obsessed with these. Also, don't worry, I do have a garbage bag like lying on my bed so I don't get them dirty. And then I got the cutest slippers ever. I am absolutely obsessed with these, and I've also been wearing them so much around the house. How stinking cute are these? I've been seeing these everywhere around the internet. They come in different colors, but I'm so happy that I got the bright yellow ones. I might have to pick it up in a different color because I'm just that obsessed with them. Moving on, this bag is empty. I had the boots in them, but I just thought it would look cute there, so that bag is empty. But this bag has the rest of my goodies inside of it. I got this really cute Minnie and Mickey snow globe. This little ring that you're seeing is actually from my ring light, so it's not actually there on it, but this is what it looks like. It's Minnie and Mickey. How freaking adorable is this? And then it just says Merry Christmas, and the best part is you push this button It actually has 5 different songs. I'm gonna show you all 5 songs, but it has Deck the Halls, Jingle Bell, Jolly Old Saint Nick, Up on the Housetop, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So I absolutely just love that. I think that is the cutest thing ever. And I got a Mickey and Minnie ornament actually for my boyfriend when we first started dating, and then I got one 2 years ago because the original one that we got randomly out of nowhere fell off of our Christmas tree. Nobody was around it, not even my dog, and it just shattered. I actually cried. I was crying to my mom. I called my boyfriend. I was like, I don't know how it happened, yada yada yada. My mom was home, so I went and I told my mom, and I showed her, and I had like tears rolling down my face because this meant so much to me. And then my boyfriend was so sweet. He actually got me a newer one, which I think I showed in that video. If not, I'm actually gonna go grab it off of my tree right now, so I'll show you. This is the one we got. We replaced it. It's very similar to the original one we got, and it just has Minnie and Mickey with a cute little mistletoe, so I absolutely love that. And this is actually the one that broke. My mom was able to salvage this one, and it did originally come in like a cute case like this and said 2014, but we were able to salvage the middle piece, so I have kept that and I do plan on keeping it. I'm just gonna actually write 2014 at the bottom. So I've had this for like 9 years, and like I said, I was absolutely freaking devastated when it broke. Moving on, I got some gift cards. I got Lululemon gift cards because obviously we know we had to get something Lululemon, and I also got a Sephora gift card, which I am so excited to use this. I have a couple things on my wish list that I want to buy, so I already know I'm going to be using this ASAP. Shout out especially to the ones they gave me this. You guys are amazing. Next up, I got some goodies that I actually want to start using a lot in 2023, so I did specifically ask for these things. Number one is this pen set, which these pens are very, very thin. They are 0.3 millimeter pens, which they are like super small. I wanted different color pens because I will be trying to color code my new Clever Fox budget planner that I got. I'm super excited for this. I want to start budgeting more and keeping more track of my money in 2023. There's also a cute pen in here, which this one is 0.05. So the other ones are 0.3. This is 0.05. So like this is the smallest pen you will probably like ever see. It is very, very thin, and that's exactly what I wanted also. So this is the budgeting book that I got. This has a lot of stuff, and then it also comes with really cute stickers. It also has an overview of exactly what is kind of in this financial planner. So it has monthly budget plans, monthly expense trackers, monthly budget review, savings and debt trackers. It has holiday budgets, annual summary and regular bill tracker, your financial goals, and your strategy and tactics. You can pause the video here if you kind of want to see what the pages look like, and then the back also shows you some more. I just feel like it's time for me to start tracking my money a little bit more. 2023 weekly planner, and it says start today with a grateful heart, which I absolutely love that. I love this quote, and I think it's just super beautiful and a great thing to have on my desk, so I can just read that every single day and then just start planning out my weeks like that. Also socks, which I actually love receiving socks, especially these ones. These are the TNA 5-pack socks. I have so many of these, and I honestly can never have too many white socks because white socks are all I wear to work, to the gym, around the house. They get dirty very easily. No matter how much you wash them, you do have to replace them. I just love crisp new white socks. Next up, I got this really, really pretty Calvin Klein light pink jacket. It is in a size small. It's just a little too big for me though. I did need an extra small even with a sweater like this. This is what it looks like. I do have the oversized Lululemon sweater underneath, so these are very baggy already and puffy, and there is still so much room in this jacket, so it is very cute. I'm gonna see if I can probably exchange it for an extra small. What everybody probably knew that I got for Christmas is some Lululemon, so I am gonna show you guys a couple of Lululemon items that I got. First up, we have this very pretty pastel blue half zip oversized scuba. I'm so excited for this. I have the full zip in this, and I'm just so obsessed that I can add the half zip to my collection. Like, it is So pretty. It's just like the prettiest shade of blue. I'm just absolutely obsessed. It's so cute. So I'm so freaking excited to start wearing this. It's so funny too because when I was opening this, my mom was just like looking at it and she was like, really, like you got another sweater like this? Because she knows I have like so many. Like I'm wearing one right now. I am gonna do a full scuba hoodie collection, so I've decided that I'm gonna have a whole video just on my scubas because trust me, I have a lot. And last but not least, I got some more Lululemon, which I got this one. Does it look familiar? Yes, because I do already own this one, so I am gonna have to exchange this one for a different color. And then I also got the matching joggers in a size 2. These are the Scuba HR Relaxed joggers in the exact same color as the half zip, but I will have to be exchanging both of these for a different color. I might get something else instead of these pants. I might honestly get another half zip, so I'll take you along and show you guys everything that I get when I do exchange and use up the gift cards. Another thing that I got that I can't show you is actually Final Cut Pro, and a lot of you probably won't know what it is, but it is a video editing software. So I currently use iMovie and I was upgraded to Final Cut Pro, so I'm very excited to start learning how to edit my videos on that. It is so sweet and thoughtful and honestly just truly something I appreciate so much because this person has always believed in me from the start. You can probably guess who it is. The support always just honestly just blows my mind how supportive he is in me pursuing everything that I want to pursue. Same as my family, they're always super supportive. I just have such a great support system behind me. I love you guys so freaking much, my friends, my family, my boyfriend, and to you guys also for getting me to 12,500 subscribers. Like we are so close to 13,000 subscribers, and it's crazy to even think that 500 subscribers nowadays is like something that's so doable, and I'm so excited because I know we're gonna get there. Like we are so close. And then thinking about when I started my channel, 500 subscribers, it seemed like mission impossible. We're growing so fast and I'm just so appreciative of each and every one of you. So thank you guys so much for helping me hit 12,500 on Christmas Day. Like that was something so special. Also, stop rambling and getting emotional, but I did want to say thank you. That is everything I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!